Let's take a look at all the top stories which are making headlines across India. India has once again slammed Pakistan at the United Nations, this time during a debate on women, peace and security. Speaking at the UNSC debate, permanent representative of India to the UN called out Pakistan for its delusional trade against India, specifically Jammu and Kashmir. The UN representative also criticized Pakistan for its violation of women's rights and accused it of misdirecting the world with hyperbole. Amid reports of several children's death, allegedly due to cold reef cough syrup in several states, Kerala Health Department has ordered that pediatric medicine for children below the age of 12 in the state will be given only with fresh prescription by a recognized doctor. Karnataka Health Department is also on high alert in the wake of the deaths, and as a precautionary measure, Food Safety and Drug Administration is collecting and testing cough syrups from various companies in the state. Delhi and nearby areas saw intermittent rain early Tuesday, prompting the India Met Department to issue an orange alert for the national capital. The rain brought a welcome chill, with temperatures dipping to 21.8 degrees Celsius by 2:30 a.m. local time. IMD has also forecast light to moderate rain with isolated heavy spells in parts of Delhi, accompanied by thunderstorms and gusty winds.